This next one was a rare, dangerous find. Can you see him? A few feet in front of me is a midget faded rattlesnake. We're at the very southern tip of their range. At no more than 2 feet long, they still pack a powerful and lethal bite. Sorry for the jittery video, but the winds are blowing hard and I'm zoomed in to 500 millimeters. Fortunately, that rattling was a warning, one that my wife heeded. When you hear one, stop in your tracks. He was more concerned with getting away from us. I caught this photo of him tasting the air as he was trying to get away.